I don't know from how long video is not being recorded. Okay. Now see guys, all the new students, I don't use paid version of Zoom app. My Zoom app is free version. So after every 40 minutes, meeting gets over automatically. So use same ID password and join the meeting again. It takes maximum 1 minute and I will wait for all the 18 people. Right now it is showing 18 people in the group. So easily you can join 20 to 30 seconds. So after 80 minutes, meeting will get over and I will resume the class wherever I was. So now let's bother about aircraft structure. So in aircraft structure, now you see, for aircraft structure only, just to make this strong, I am taking separate class for your intermediate physics. And this physics is not like just solve 3 equations of motion, solve laws of motion, and that's all done, solve work. No, it's not like that. We have to prepare hard like we used to prepare for IIT JEE. Then only you can be very good in aircraft structure. In aircraft structure, we have 6 sections. Study like, understand like this. In aircraft structure, first you have to go through strength of material. Now, side by side, we are already doing your bridge course, right? So in bridge course, lot of physics you will be covering properly. So after strength of material, you have to go for core of the aircraft structure. Now, if you compare this year, then you will see there was so many awkward questions also. So you cannot classify that would be from SOM or that will be from aircraft structure and which portion. So that I will tell you from where the questions are. Now you see, after this part, you have one very brilliant and very interesting part that we call as vibration. So SOM we have to study and core of aircraft structure we have to study and vibration we have to study. So strength of metal everyone knows, like you have to study SFD, BMD, bending, torsion, blah blah things. And in aircraft structure, which is core of aircraft structure, we have to study something called thin walled sections. In thin walled sections, we have to go through bending and torsion. Only this much we have to study, and some extra part we have to study boom sections. So actually, core of aircraft structure is not that heavy. This syllabus is not that heavy. Heavy syllabus is your strength of material. It is heavy also, and from here, lengthy questions will appear. And from vibration, whatever question will come, you will be able to solve. Question length can be lengthy, question length can be short also. But vibration is very easy. Now, in vibration, you have to do this year in so many things in detail. So this year preparation will not be like last year preparation. Last year preparation was not of this level. Anyway, aircraft structure over. Now we go for okay, flight mechanics syllabus is very small. In flight mechanics, you have to do like this. You have to bother about one small portion that is called atmosphere, and after that you have 2 types of flight. In one flight, you will be not having acceleration. You will not be having acceleration, and in one flight you will be having acceleration. Okay, and then you have to bother about, can someone guess? Very good, stability and control. So we have to bother about stability and control. And you know, last year paper 2021 was one-sided, and this year paper 2022 was again one-sided. In 2022 there was no question from stability. There was only one question from stability in 1 mark. What is the role of tail in the aircraft? That Cm alpha was less than 0. That was the question. Only small question. Okay, now it does not mean, now you see that is the point. When you are preparing any subject with the help of previous year question paper, then you will put yourself into trap. But if you are preparing the entire syllabus, it demands you enormous amount of time and energy. Both are required to complete very heavy syllabus. So I have to work hard with you guys. So this is the syllabus of flight mechanics. And in flight mechanics, when we come to stability, in this you have 2 types of stabilities. You have static stability and you have dynamic stability. In static stability, you have 3 portions. Can someone remind me what are the portions in stability? Static stability? Anyone? What are the 3 stabilities we have to discuss in static portion? Anyone? You guys can speak, no problem. Guys, I know. I want to create that interaction level. That's why I'm asking. So feel free to speak. Whenever I'm asking anything, you feel free to speak. Okay. So we have longitudinal portion, we have lateral portion, and we have directional portion. So in all these three things, we have to discuss static stability. But when it will come to dynamic stability, longitudinal dynamic stability we have to study separately. Lateral plus directional we have to study separately. And when you are talking about stability portion, which is static stability, all the three sections are different. And for every static stability, we have to bother about their controls. It means longitudinal static stability with its control, then lateral static stability with its control, then again for directional with its control. But in dynamic, only longitudinal dynamic stability separate, lateral plus directional separate. You have numericals and blah blah things. I will discuss where which portion some other day. Now see guys, meeting is about to over, so when meeting will get over, join again using same ID password. Now we'll go for aerodynamic portion. Now you see what happens in aerodynamic portion. So in aerodynamic portion, you should have basic idea about thermodynamics. So already this we are going to cover in aircraft propulsion. Okay. So you'll be good in thermodynamics. After thermodynamics, you should have broad idea about fluid mechanics. So how much you should know about fluid mechanics? Now you see, before 2021 paper, there was nothing from hydrostatics. Hydrostatics, you can say fluid statics. There was nothing, no syllabus in hydrostatics. But suddenly in 2021, they are dropping a question like this. There was a beaker. In the beaker there was water, and there was ice. In the ice they kept some steel ball or something, and then they asked something will happen, then level will go up or down, something. This kind of question they asked in 2021. So what happened? So actually I ignored this question. After this question, I didn't take the syllabus for hydrostatics. So